Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by framing the problem and preparing your data. Identify whether you need classification, regression, or ranking, because that choice shapes loss and metrics. Next, sample and inspect data for missing values, outliers, and class imbalance. Remove duplicates and document sources. Once done, pick a primary evaluation metric and a validation strategy, holdout, k-fold, or time split, so you can measure progress reliably as you iterate. Now build the core pipeline and features. Create normalized continuous inputs, encode categorical variables, and add meaningful interactions or aggregated features. This gives models informative signals. Then implement a baseline model quickly, a simple logistic or small tree, to verify the pipeline. Once that baseline works, set up a hyperparameter search and feature selection inside the pipeline so transformations are reproducible. This prevents you finish by training thoroughly and validating results. Use cross-validation to estimate performance variance and inspect learning curves to detect overfitting. If needed, regularize or get more data. Once satisfied, calibrate probabilities and consider simple ensembles to boost reliability, then save a reproducible model artifact with versioned code and metadata. Finally, deploy with monitoring for data drift, set alerts, and have a rollback plus retraining plan. And if results go wrong, check data pipeline and label consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.